Let's now learn how to create a leaderboard in Roblox. We're going to go to our service script service. We're going to add a script. You can name your script leaderboard, and in your script just enter the following lines. On the first line, we have a player added event. For every player that joins the game, we're going to insert a folder named leaderstats under the player. So here we're creating the folder. For more information on how to create objects and about player added events, you can refer to our prior tutorials for more details. So again, every player that joins the game, we're going to insert a folder named leaderstats under the player with all lowercase letters. If you spell it differently, it's not going to work. Alright, so now we have a folder under every player that joins the game. Here we're creating an integer value inside the folder, and we name it score. This is going to be our column inside the leaderboard. We're giving the player 1 point for every second the player is inside the game. Let's play test and take a look. So here we are, and you can see I have a leaderboard here, and I'm getting 1 point for every second I'm inside the game. Let's now test with 2 players. You can see we have 2 players inside the game, and we both getting 1 point for every second we are inside the game. And that is how you make a leaderboard in Roblox.